Fireworks are expected in Parliament as the government will introduce the land bill. The opposition has been stepping up the pressure for they hold the numbers in the Rajya Sabha. Meanwhile, the government has been reaching out to farmer groups in a bid to find a solution for a consensus.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu would be hoping his efforts at reaching out to the opposition pay off when Parliament assembles today and takes up bills on key ordinances.
With controversial bills like the Land Acquisition Bill and the Insurance Bill, in which the government and the opposition have not yet arrived at a consensus, one can expect the government and the opposition to be at loggerheads in Parliament, since these bills are coming up on Tuesday.
And the government is aware about the opposition to the land ordinance, both inside and outside the Parliament.
देश के गृह मंत्री माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी कई किसान संगठनों के साथ उन्होंने वार्ता की है। 27 किसान संगठनों के प्रतिनिधि उनको मिल चुके हैं और कल भी ये प्रक्रिया जारी रहेगी।
After all, the Congress, which is a formidable player in the upper house, is not willing to dilute the 2013 land bill. The UPA enacted.
कुछ ऐसे ऑर्डिनेंस पर्टिकुलरली जो लैंड एक्विजिशन बिल है, इस तरह के ऑर्डिनेंस की हिमायत करना, मदद करना, पास करना तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा हमारे लिए।
Not just the Congress, even left and Trinamool are ranged against the government.
हमें इस अध्यादेश में कोई संशोधन स्वीकार नहीं है। आज की परिस्थितियों में जो 2013 का कानून है उसे लागू रखा जाए, और अगर ये लागू नहीं रहता तो देश के अंदर संसद चलेगी कि नहीं चलेगी, ये संसद सदस्यों को तय करना पड़ेगा।
We are opposing this bill in relation to acquisition. Already in the meeting held yesterday, we made our point clear that we are opposing this bill.
Given the strong voices of opposition, the government faces a tightrope walk as it looks to ratify the land ordinance. Bureau Report, Times Now.